Right, so you've got your facing edge marks on your two bits of timber, okay? We want to get the sizes and mark it out where things are going to occur. Long bit, basically it's going to sit like that, okay? So when you look at your frame, it will be 45 wide, 30mm thick. So what I'm going to do is put all the marks on the side here. So all I'm going to do is put it to the end, right? The very end of the drawing. And I'll put a mark at the very bottom of the drawing. Right, and that'll allow me to get horns on it as well, okay? From there, anything on this section that goes across, I'm going to mark it onto here, okay? So line it up so as you can see all the lines that go that way. Like that, okay? Once I've done it, you can square them across. Right? Very important you square from your facing edge side. Right? So there's the face there. I'm going to square across the stock of this against it. Right, since we got my marks, key marks there for going across, right? Once I got that, you can put two bits together. Right, so face is out there, face is out here, okay? We're introducing what's called mirrored pairs now. So things have to be mirrored so that when it goes together the frame goes together accordingly. Right, I'm going to change the red pen just to mark these so you see it going forward. Right, if you need to, put them in a vise, clamp them. You can hold them, fair enough. Right, so that's given me two identical pieces, isn't it? Right? That's the starting point. I can then develop that one at a time. Because all the joints are going to happen in this section, right, so one bit's going to be 45 wide, this side will be 45 wide, the other side will be 30. Because we used the haunch marks and tenons we used just. So what I'll do is just transfer these marks across. Again, looking for the edge mark, put the tri-square on. You can draw lines across if you want, or you can just put a small mark on the edge. Just makes your final finishing a bit easier. That's the way you go. There's two different ways of doing it. One just with the small bit, one with the line going all across. Final bit, take it the line back across there. At this point, you now know that's where you can cut that off. Okay, because you've got the horns here, you've got the rest of it going up there. Right, does that make sense so far? Right, do the same the other bit. I'll do that a wee bit later on. I'll just get one done and then just let it go. Because all I'll be doing is replicating it. From there, your marking gauge, 30mm wide, so what are we going to set it to? 10 and 20. Once you've done it, take the timber, get the end out, the big dot on it, rotate it in, spin the timber, rotate it in to line up, great, we're on a winner. Okay? If they don't line up and you start to continue, chances are the joints will have steps in them, so take a bit of time to look at that. Right, I'm going to cut this off first because it is getting a bit confusing. Right, so on the inside edge, so where we've got the V, small legs, that's where I'm going to put the mark across the 45. So again, gauging off the face. A couple of dots where I want to finish. And drive it down into it, okay? So at the other end, couple of dots, drive down into it. On the other side, it's just going to go 30 out. So in this one, I've got 30 there. This one, I need to make sure I put 30 on there. So it comes from the inside, 30 towards the outside. Because that is your mark that's going to go all the way through there. The other 50mm going to the outside is the haunch. And again, we're going to gauge that against the face, dots where you want to finish, drive it in. And final bit, just put marks on to show what it is. Right, on this side, make sure you got 30 as well. So as you know where to stop when you're actually doing your mortise. Right, final bit, just put some marks on it. Put some cross hatching where you're going to go all the way through. And I would just write 15 on the bit that you're going to go in on. That's 10, sorry. 10 for this one. You're only going to sink in there 10mm with the chisel when you do the haunch, okay? Any questions on any of that?
10 across as well as down the haunch.
No, it's 15 across, 10 down. Yeah? No questions? Right, make it so.